We all know that our iPhones are capable of amazing things, but I'm going to go through 10 things you didn't know you could do on your iPhone. And the first is turning your iPhone into a white noise machine. You can transform your iPhone into a soothing white noise machine by going to Settings, Accessibility, Audio and Visual, Background Sounds. Here you can choose from calming sounds like ocean, rain, and stream. Then, when you're ready to turn on the sounds, just toggle on background sounds. These background sounds are perfect for helping you relax, concentrate, or even put a baby to sleep, and they're great for providing a peaceful auditory backdrop for any activity. Next up is identifying plants or animals. When you take a photo of a plant, flower, tree, or animal, your iPhone can help you identify it. When you open the photo, if your iPhone recognizes the subject, you'll see a symbol with stars appear in the menu bar across the bottom. By tapping the symbol, you'll see the name of the plant or animal and an option to look up additional information about it, making it really easy to learn more about the natural world around you. The third great feature is that you can have Siri read web pages aloud to you, which is great for multitasking or for those with visual impairments. Open Safari and either command Siri to read this, or say, I want to listen to this page. Alternatively, tap the AA button on the left side of the URL bar and select Listen to Page. You can adjust the speaking speed, go forward or back a sentence, and pause the reading whenever you need to, making it a convenient way to consume content hands-free. Now onto a tip you'll use every week. The Reminders app on your iPhone can do more than just keep lists, it can organize them too. When you create a new list, select Shopping from the List Type drop-down menu. As you add items, the app will automatically categorize them. For example, eggs will be sorted under dairy, eggs, and cheese, and bread will be sorted under breads and cereals. This feature makes shopping more efficient and ensures you don't miss any items. On to tip 5. With iOS accessibility features, you can automate repetitive tasks by creating custom voice-activated gestures. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Voice Control, and toggle it on. Then, tap Commands, Create New Command. Enter your desired command phrase, select Action, and choose Run Custom Gesture. Use your finger to create the gesture on your screen. When you say the command phrase, your iPhone will replicate the gesture. This can be particularly useful for performing complex actions quickly, like entering information in an app or even drawing a signature. Be aware, however, that voice control responds to anyone, so it's a good idea to turn this off when it's not in use. We're halfway through the video, so I wanted to talk about your online privacy. It's very common for data brokers to sell your information to scammers, spammers, and anyone else who may want to target you. Your full name, email, home address, and even health records are all available online. And that's why I've been using Aura, the sponsor of today's video. Aura shows me which data brokers are selling my information and automatically submits opt-out requests for me. Cleaning up my information not only helps reduce the amount of spam I get, but it protects me from hackers who could use this information to help them access my social media accounts, bank accounts, or other sensitive information. Aura also gives me other features like antivirus, VPN, password management, parental controls, identity theft insurance, and more without having to download several different apps. It's really easy to set up, and best of all, I get everything at one affordable price. To try out Aura's features, you can go to aura.com/shiv to sign up for a 2-week free trial, which is also linked in the description below. Now a tip for the photographers and editors. You can quickly remove backgrounds from photos stored in the Files app. Tap and hold any picture, then select Quick Actions, Remove Background. iOS will create a duplicate of your photo with the background removed, which is perfect for further editing or creating clean images for presentations and projects. This feature works with multiple photos at once, saving you time and effort. Becoming a faster photographer is easy with your iPhone's built-in shortcuts. Swiping left on your lock screen instantly opens the camera app, allowing you to capture moments instantly. For more convenience, use the physical volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to take photos instead of the on-screen shutter button. Swiping the shutter button to the left activates burst mode, capturing multiple photos in rapid succession, and holding down the shutter button lets you shoot video without switching to video mode. These shortcuts are great for capturing fleeting moments such as when kids or pets are on the move. Your iPhone's camera can do more than just take pictures. It can also capture and translate text. Open the camera app and point it at any block of text. An icon with 3 lines in an outlined square will appear at the bottom right corner. Tap this icon to capture the text, then choose from options like copy, select all, look up, translate, or share. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly translating signs, menus, or any written content you come across. The final camera-related tip is actually to do with your laundry. You see, deciphering laundry care labels can be confusing, but your iPhone can help. Take a photo of a laundry care label, tap the info button at the bottom of the screen, and select Look Up Laundry Care. Your iPhone will provide explanations for each symbol on the label, ensuring you know exactly how to wash and care for your clothes. And finally, a calculator tip. Mistakes happen, especially when entering numbers. Instead of using the clear or all clear button, you can swipe left or right on the calculator display to delete one digit at a time. This simple trick can save you time and frustration, especially during quick calculations. And that wraps up 10 things you didn't know you could do with your iPhone. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any tips of your own in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one.